This is the Trinity River Salmon Habitat Restoration Spot. It's called Bucktail Hole, I believe. And this is what one of those things looks like. They've been at it for a couple years, I believe, the way the sign reads. And I'm kind of wondering if maybe it's done, pretty much, because there's no equipment here anymore. Or maybe it was done for the winter and they'll come back and do some more. They planted a bunch of little trees. In this area there's this pathway with rocks. So if you look all over the place here, there's a variety of different sorts of trees. They all look like they're a year or so old. Who knows? What do I know about the growth of a tree in the wild? I have no idea. Anyway, it's a lovely place. And it was a joint effort between the Bureau of Land Management and 2 Indian tribes, which I don't recall. So it's supposed to be a place for rearing the young and raising them successfully to restore the salmon population. Anyway, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Today is, what is today? May 7th, 2017. Yeah, May 6th, 7th. No, wait a minute. It's May 8th. Lost track of time. It's a Monday. And here we go. There's the mountain range above here, and I'm taking off today. Oh, there we got some chemtrails. Can't get away from the old chemtrails, no matter where you go. I hear that there was some horrible, and here we got some ducks flying over. I hear there was some, supposed to be some horrible storm hitting LA last night, with hail and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, right, May 7th, and there's hail and a horrible rainstorm with thunder and lightning and all that kind of crap. When does that happen? Anyway, let's all do some weather modification and control the weather. See how we can make money out of controlling the weather. But this looks like a positive move here. So, anyway, bye.